Division tricks part 2. Today we are going to learn some other division tricks. Division trick number 1 is division by 25 and trick 2 is division by 125. Okay, so first trick we are going to start now, that is division by 25. Now what is 25? 25 is 1/4 of 100. Yes, if you divide 100 with 4, you get answer as 25. So when you want to divide any number by 25, same concept you can apply to do the division quickly. So like here, if you want to divide any number by 25, let's take, suppose you have 22 and you want to divide this 22 with 25. Okay, now 25 is what? 25 is 1/4 of 100. Okay, so if you want to divide any number by 25, the concept says that multiply the number by 4 and then divide your answer by 100. So the number is 22. So first step is you multiply 22 by 4. So the answer is 88. And when you divide 88 by 100, answer will be 0.88. Okay, so 22 by 25, answer is 0.88. So two steps also in this trick. So first step is multiply the number by 4 and step number 2 is divide the number by 100. Let's take another example. Suppose you want to divide 33 by 25. Now quickly multiply 33 by 4. So 33 times 4 is 132. And 132 by 100 will be your 1.25. Like I told you the concept, multiply it with 4 and then divide by 100. So 13 times 4 is 56. So it will be 0.56. 33 divided by 25. 33 times 4 is your 132. So it will be 1.32. 35. 35 times 4. You can do it do the doubling also. 35 and 35 is your 70 and 70 into 70 double is your 140. So it will be your 1.4. Next concept. So next concept is division by 125. Is there any connection between 125 and 1000? Okay. Yes. Like we discussed with 25, 50 and 5. Same thing we can apply for 125 also. Yes. So children, 125 is what? 125 is 1/8 of 1000. Yes. So in this case, the same concept we are going to apply here. So 125 is what? Is 1/8 of 1000. So if you want to divide any number by 125 quickly, you can simply multiply the number by 8 and then whatever answer you get, you divide it by 1000. Okay, so let's do some examples here. Suppose you want to divide, let's take 3, very simple number, 3 divided by 125. You know the answer will be in decimals only because 3 is smaller than 125. So now according to the trick, multiply it by 8. So what is 3 times 8? 3 times 8 is 24. And 24 divided by 1000 will be 0.024. Okay, so just multiply the number by 8 and then divide it by 1000. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take 9. 9 divided by 125. Now quickly tell, what is 9 times 8? Yes, 9 times 8 is 72. So 72 by 1000 is 0.072. Okay, let's do some questions now. Division by 125. So remember the two steps. Multiply the number by 8 and then divide by 1000. Yes. Okay. Now see the questions on my screen now, and you can do it very quickly now. Okay. So 11 divided by 125. Okay, 11 times 8 is 88. So answer will be 0.088. Write in your notebook quickly all the answer, because after this We will do the quiz questions. Yes. So 12 times 8 is 96. So it will be 0.096. 22 by 125. So 22 times 8 is 176. So it will be 0.176. That revision of both the concepts. So if you want to divide any number by 25, simply multiply the number by 4 and then divide it by 100. And if you want to divide any number by 125, multiply by 8 and divide by 1000.